guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video here at MC Paradise. So this video is kind of spontaneous. I didn't expect to film it. I'm actually up in Dallas, and I guess there's a huge event going on. I got Stevespov here, which I would love to meet, but we also got a Pagani Huayra, as well as a Koenigsegg Regera. So let's go ahead and check this out. There's a bunch of other crazy awesome cars, but I'm just going to only show a few because everybody's kind of heading out. Got here kind of late, but check these out. Alright guys, so we're right behind us, a little bit of the behind the scenes of Steve's POV. So I'm going to see if I can say hi in a few minutes, get some pictures with him and whatnot. But I mean, this is kind of cool, seeing it in action. I'll give a small channel.
Yeah, sure, man.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we're here with Steve's POV. He has a super awesome channel. He actually does like everything in Japanese. And it's really cool because you get like a huge market from like the Asian market looking at American stuff, but also cool modified Japanese cars in America, which I think is really awesome. And then all your builds, and I mean, I read all the subtitles because I don't speak Japanese, but
Thank you.
He has some awesome content. So if you guys haven't seen it, definitely go check out his channel. And if you guys have seen Daily Driven Exotics, you've seen Steve's POV.
We went to Japan together, Dave, Damon, and I. We're going to get them to Texas here, hopefully
awesome.
soon. Plan to do a big event. Plan to go back to Japan again, hopefully soon with them as well. I miss those guys.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm happy to be here in Texas, representing here for the JDM community.
Heck yeah.
Appreciating everybody's JDM cars. What everybody loves. You know, it's all about respecting everybody, everybody's differences, all the different cars. You know, just because I like something, maybe somebody else doesn't like it, but if we respect each other's stuff, you know, we can all get along. And you know,
sure.
it's that's why the car community is great, in my opinion.
I mean, I saw you walking around like it's like an older Corolla. I don't really know much of it. But it's like, yeah, there's like all these like supercars. But you're talking about like the cool cars, like the unique cars, and not just the cars that cost a lot of money. So that's what I love about like the way you do your channel and all the stuff that you focus on. Like
to see a 20-year-old kid driving a car that was born when I was born back 50-something years ago, right? And have a 20-year-old kid come and choose to come to an event like that in that car. I think this is cool, man. That kid is cool. The car is cool. The fact he's keeping it alive and sharing that with other people here and other young people here who see a kid like him driving it, maybe you get influenced by it and say, you know what, I want to buy an old car, restore it, and do something similar to it. I think that's awesome. And to whatever degree that I can help support that type of thing, I mean, that's what I like to do, man. So, yeah.
Awesome. It was so great meeting you.
Nice to meet you. Thanks for your service, too.
Thank you.
Air Force, thumbs up. And we're going to see you around again, or what?
Oh, for sure. I'll definitely drive up from San Antonio. It's about 5 hours to here.
All right, not
it'll
too
be
bad.
worth the drive.
I got a few cars you can come check out when you're back next time.
Oh, heck yeah.
What's the name of your channel?
MT Paradise.
MT Paradise.
Yep.
MT Paradise. Give them a subscribe. Smash that subscribe button. Thumbs up. And a pleasure meeting you, man. Look forward to hanging out again.
Alright guys, so as I'm editing this, I actually realized I did not film an outro, so I just want to go ahead and film an outro right now. Steve, thank you so much for taking some time out of your day. Like, that really means a lot for me that you're able to kind of do like a little interview with me on my channel from like for this video. Like, I thought that was super awesome. I've been watching your videos for a very long time, and now you're featured in one of my videos, so that means a lot to me. Also, I wanted to say thank you to Hunter for actually holding my phone, filming this little impromptu like little interview. It actually looked like it was sitting on a tripod. So Hunter, thank you for having stable hands. Steve, thank you for the video. And if you guys like the video, definitely go down and hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see more videos, hopefully like this or even crazier. But as always, guys, thank you for watching.